What is going on, happy people? Today is a surprise day. I am going to show you something that you can use to help your neighbors out or yourself out, and it's usually in your backyard. And Reclaim Water does this to PVC. Now, I'm going to show you how to clean it for $7 or less. First of all, we get our supplies. And then at the end of the video, I'm going to tell you what it is. But right now, I've got a little spray bottle. And I'm going to use it to spray on the fence. And this is real time. So let me show you in real time. Pump that up. That's good enough. Let's go back over to the fence and use this. You're not going to believe it. But I have to show you this video because it's something where people helping people type of thing, and when it works really well. Okay, this is real time. Now I'm going to go over here and I'm going to spray this fence, and that is a rust mark. And I'm going to go ahead and just spray this right down here like this, right, just like that. And I'm going to do 3 panels. And let's just see how long it takes. Now those 3 panels are done, and you got a little light over here. So I'm going to go ahead and spray this down. And remember, this is real time. You can do this in your backyard, and it'll clean your fence. And there's no scrubbing, no rubbing, no washing, no hose down. And I just thought I'd go ahead and help this piece of property out and then tell them tomorrow what I did. But right now, you're going to watch the video and I'm going to tell you what I did and show you what I did so you can help your neighbor out. Pump this up just a little bit more. Get a good spray. Oh, by the way, it's gone. It's all gone. Okay, I'm going to do the top up here so it's all even. But yes, all that light rust, how long did that take? Seconds? I'm telling you, my friend, it's gone. Okay. Oh, remember when we sprayed this over here? Look at that, it's gone. So let's go ahead and give it a little bit of shot up here. Shot out, shot. And then we're going to move to the other side. Now this panel here, who knows how long it's been like this? Probably years. Let's go ahead and get on the other side over here. And got some dirt in my shoe. Got some dirt in my shoe. All right, so here we are. We're on the rust side. So let's start at the bottom. Give it a good soak all the way up. I'd have to pump it up again. And you might as well just do the whole fence. Okay. Even the overspray from me spraying this pole right here, you can see the white dots. All right, well, we got a little bit right back in here around the corner here. We'll go ahead and touch that, and then we'll go ahead and hit the bottom down here just like that. And again, this is real time, so let's go ahead and just count on your watch. All right, and like I said, if you like this kind of content, now would be the time to go and take a look at the area where you'll see my compass rose. And I need you to go on there, and I need you to help me by pressing the thumbs up button, because this is very important when it comes to YouTube. I contacted YouTube because I'm stuck at 647 subscribers. Look at that, real time, gone, absolutely gone. So if you haven't done it already, please subscribe. When you get to the end, it's gonna show you possibly, depending on if you're watching it on a computer or if you're watching it on TV. I'd like to watch it on a TV. It's a little easier to use. But if you're watching a video on TV, if you just use the up arrow, it'll show the actual channel name, and to the right it'll show you a compass rose, and if you click on that, you're able to subscribe. Right next to that is a thumbs up button. I need you to hit that thumbs up button, guys. Please do that. Please do that. Pass these things on to a friend. Show them. And then right to that, you're able to go. There's a $sign if you want to give to my cause here and help me pay for these videos. That'd be great too. There's a $sign in there. Just hit that QR code and give what you like. The other thing too is after you subscribe, if you're on a laptop, you got to go up to the top of the page there and it'll say subscribe, and then right next to that will say thumbs up button. Please leave a comment below. That's important to me too. But everything is important, especially the thumbs up. Now listen, I promised you at the end of this video I was going to tell you what this stuff is. You saw it in real time, how fast that acted against the rust from reclaimed water on a PVC fence. Are you ready? I was using this stuff. Back in the day, I was using that stuff. That throws off a cloud, something you could breathe, all right? Today is the first time I ever used this. It is fume-free, swimming pool acid. Sulfuric acid, 38%. I got it at a pool supply store. I put it in the spray bottle. I didn't even use it all. Look at it. I still got more than half a gallon there left. My friends at home, that's the trick on cleaning that. And you don't have to do it, what, once a year? Maybe twice a year? Instead of trying to hire somebody to get that rust off, which you're going to do probably the same. Anyway, I'm Captain John. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe. That thumbs up is very important too. Pass it on to a friend. I'm out.